Hey, I think you're cute, can I hit you up on Instagram? Cause you are the only thing I'm thinking of, and I can't stop it, I'm wishing you and I were talking. But even if we talked, I wouldn't know what I would say. My social awkwardness would just get in the way. And maybe I'm a little bit shy, but I'll try my best to compromise. Cause I think I really like how you're always staring at your feet. Pictures only tell so much. So I'm thinking of a message to send you, but it's hard for me to tell if it's too long or not enough. But talking to you is all I want, and I'm trying hard to take a chance and send you the message. I'm hovering over send, but it's so hard to press it. Maybe I'm scared that you might hate me, but I'll try not to mess it up. I don't wanna confess too much, I just wanna get to know a little more about my Insta crush. Know what's the best way to start, cause if I'm not careful I might lay it on my heart, out of my chest too fast. But I really wanna make the conversation last, so I'll start off slow with something really simple like hey, hello, I kinda like your dimples. Wait, that's so dumb, but I can't think straight. I've been thinking really long and now it's getting late. Oh, but even if I'm sleepy, I'm up all night just thinking of the words I wanna say to you. And no, I don't wanna sound creepy, but most of the time I fall in love. It's with someone who laughs the way you do. So talking to you is all I want, and I'm trying hard to take a chance and send you a message. I'm hovering over send, but it's so hard to press it. Maybe I'm scared that you might hate me, but I'll try not to mess it up. I don't wanna confess too much, I just wanna get to know a little more. But I can't find the words to say. Never been good at talking. I wish there was an easy way to go down this road I'm walking. I don't think I'll ever be close to a girl I only know through a post. So maybe I should just give up this time. But oh, I think I might regret not knowing who you really are, cause I'm so curious about you. And I know that I could just forget you, but I can't really tell my heart to do a thing it doesn't wanna do. Cause I've been telling myself don't mind it, and acting like I'm fine, and always trying to pretend that I'm still scared.